Hello, my name is Ray Albert, and I want to welcome you to another video. Hey, I found out just today that my new website I built a month ago, I thought that was getting traffic, but when I went to check Google, my Google Search Console, I found out that most of my pages weren't indexed in the search engine. So that included Google and Bing. And so I want to show you, if you think that you should be getting traffic, because I wrote some really good blog posts, and I was really surprised that my sitemaps didn't, automatically render into Google Search Console or into Bing Search Console. And so I wasn't getting no traffic. So now I want to show you what you need to look out for in case you're having the same issue, or maybe you don't even know. So to find out if you're getting any traffic or not, let me just show you. Now here I'm in my Google Search Console, and this is my website, onlinewealth.com. So I'm being on my website, I'm like, okay, well, let me check and see if URL is, being indexed. So I went to my website right here. This is the back end of my website. And the first thing I did is I went to Pages. And so now I'm looking in the back end of my site, and I got this plugin that tells me when Google and Bing has been and crawled my website. And here I don't see nothing, right? I mean, this I don't care about because these are just, anti-spam policies. These are just policy pages. I don't have them set up for the search engines to find anyway. But like this one, my About page, right? So if I right mouse click and I copy the link and I go to my website here, and you can go in here and inspect any URL, and I just stick it in there and press enter. Now it's going to see if it's okay, so it is being indexed on Google, so that's good. Let me see if I can find another page here that I want indexed. My contact page. See? Never. So let me just find out if that is. So I copy the link address, go back to my Google, put it in inspect URL, enter, and it's not. See? I don't understand. So now you have to click on that and say request indexing. And so it's going to test the URL, make sure that it is accessible, and then it's going to come up with, I'll show you the page it comes up with. So then when it gets done crawling the page to make sure it's accessible, it says URL was added to priority crawl queue. So it's going to be, so you can't submit it multiple times. It's not going to get done any faster. So you just click, I got it. Okay, no problem. Now, if you go to Bing Search Console, this is Bing Search Console right here, and you put that same URL in here, and you inspect it, it says not indexed. So then you want to go and you want to say, this page is an alternate version of the similar page which has specific canonical version. I don't understand what that means. Not indexed. URL cannot appear on Bing. Oh, okay. Let me see what that says. See, you got to check this stuff out. So now it's saying alt attribute for images is missing, and meta description tag is missing. And if that's on my login page, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. I wanted that same URL for the contact page. So let me copy the link address and go back here. I thought it was contact. Okay, so here's contact page. Contact page is not indexed. Okay, let's inspect. So it goes back to the login page again. So I got to figure out what's wrong with Bing here. Let me try another page. Something that I'm trying to rank here. Let me copy that link address. That's my front page. Okay, that one is indexed. So this is what I'm showing. You got to go in and you got to check manually to make sure that your stuff is being indexed, because if it isn't, then you're not going to get any traffic. There's other ways that you might not be getting traffic to. You might not have your site optimized for Google search. You might not have your content optimized for Google search. There's all kinds of different reasons why you might not be getting traffic to your website. Now, this is what I'm trying to help people get on on the internet and try to make money on the internet. Because I know times is very hard here, and I've been successful at doing it, and I just want to help other people too. So if you're interested in learning, you can go to my free website, which is onlinewealth.com. I'll put a link in the description, and you can go there and you can sign up as a free member. I also do have a member that is called the Inner Circle, and that's $19 a month. If you want to join that, that's where we all get together and you ask me questions and we work together on getting things ranked and making money online. But just to get started, getting a website up, getting a domain name, getting not only the website, but a theme that's going to work with whatever niche that you want to work in. It's very important. Learning how to get a domain name, learn how to do keyword research, learning how to write the content itself so it's SEO friendly and the Google bots can find it and just chew it up and just say, oh yeah, content is good for the search intent. And that's what it's all about, folks, is learning what people are looking for and giving it to them in a big way. Better than most of those big guys out there who just feed out little bits of information because they're big and they can do that. So anyway, if you're interested, leave a comment down below. Go to my site, Online Wealth. Leave a message there. Email me, whatever. Contact me. Let me know. Okay? I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you in another video. And happy trafficking.